Okay, so here's the Timex M24 movement, and this would apply for both the SO and the SW. Alright, this is SO means without a second hand, SW has a sweep. It has a second hand. Okay, I just got a really good question on YouTube, and the question is, how do I slow down or speed up M24 movement? Okay, we see how the balance wheel is moving back and forth. Alright. Then we notice right here that there's an S, and then over here there's an F. Okay, can the camera catch that very well? Okay. So I'm going to do this, I'm going to wind it up so it'll stay running. If you ever need one of these movements, let me know and I'll put one on eBay for you. These are new old stock movements. So the S and the F. So if it's moving too fast, what we want to do, of course, is put it toward the S. So we turn the movement over, and we see this little lever right here. And we would push that in that direction. Okay, normally I would do this a little bit more carefully with a different instrument, but and you can access this with the movement like this. Now when you take off the back cap of the watch, this is the side that you will see, and you can access this from without taking the crystal and the dial off. Just move this little lever, get a toothpick or whatever, but very carefully move this lever back and forth. If it's moving too slow, move it toward the F. If it's moving too fast, move it toward the slow S. And this applies to the M22, I think, maybe even other movements as well. Anyway, this movement was using a ton of Marlins. Let's just take a quick peek over here. Timex Marlin in the book. All these 1970 models. Timex Marlin. Some of them use the 22, but that's the same, almost the same thing. It really is. It would work the same thing as far as that goes. And then here's the 24s. Sorry. And then let's see, all the way back into here, the 22s would be very similar to the 22s and 24s. Not only was it used for the Marlins, but I believe it was also used for the here some of the Mercuries. So Timex used this movement in a ton of different watches. So this video is very basic. All it is how to adjust the time of your watch, how to move it from being slow to fast or from fast to slow. I hope this video was helpful. My wife and I are Christians, so all of our videos are Christian friendly and Republican friendly. So if your family is a Christian Republican family, you may enjoy the videos. There's no bad words or socialism in any of our videos. Well, thank you for watching and have a good night.